This is Maggie. When she gets wet, she will shake her body in a certain motion to dry herself. In fact, this movement can be described as nature's analogy to the spin cycle of a washing machine, due to the ability to quickly get dry. Starting with the head, Maggie twists her head back and forth, resulting in high amplitude waves. The body and the skin move at these frequencies, but the skin is able to move faster than the body and the head. Since Maggie's skin is quite loose, she is actually able to accelerate her skin quicker than a dog with tighter skin. When a dog is wet, surface tension between the water and hair keeps the dog wet. Dogs overcome this surface tension with a centripetal force, which can be accomplished through oscillation. The centripetal force increases in the hair closer to the body, causing the body to move at a higher velocity. As the velocity increases, the hair interacts with air molecules, creating more heat energy. The heat energy evaporates the water droplets, allowing Maggie to dry. This process is vital to animals to regulate their body heat. Oscillation of a dog generates a force 10 to 70 times greater than the force of gravity, which is why dogs often close their eyes to protect themselves from the velocity. The force of gravity is about 9.8 newtons directed downwards, so a dog's oscillation is pretty powerful, making this process even more effective as well as impressive. The factors that affect the success of this oscillation include the size of the mammal, the elasticity of the skin, and the hair type. Animals that have a smaller size are more likely to be successful through this process and more powerful than a larger animal. For example, a mouse is able to dry itself much quicker and with more force than that of a grizzly bear, where a dog would meet in between those standards. Also, elasticity of the skin plays a major factor in this process. Humans are not able to do this drying process due to the tightness of human skin. However, dogs and other mammals are able to perform this process because of the looseness of their skin, especially dogs like Maggie that have an excess amount of skin, causing her to be able to successfully dry herself. Also, the hair type plays a major factor in that dogs with wiry, coarse, and oily hair are more likely to successfully dry themselves than dogs with a lot of fluffy hair.